ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಗಣೇಶ್ ರಾಜ್ಜಿ, ಒಡಿಶಾರ ಮಾನ್ಯವರ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲ, ಸಂಸದರ ಸದಸ್ಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಚ್ಯುತ್ ಸಾಮಂತ, सम्माननीय अतिथिगणों, भाई भवनी बाने समस्त को नमस्कार. I am really happy today to be present in this small function to release the book Nilima Rani, My Mother, My Hero, written by one of our colleagues in Parliament, the social worker, Sri Achyut Samanta. Generally, we read biographies of great leaders, entrepreneurs, and explorers. But it is heartwarming today that we are releasing the biography of a mother, because it is mother who makes a man or a woman great through her upbringing and values. Friends, when I was going through the pages of this book, I could not but feel enormous respect and reverence of a mother who fought every odd single-handedly to raise her 7 children. Despite abject poverty and lack of resources, she ensured that all her children got good education and became responsible citizens. I was moved by the account of Dr. Achyut Samanta's father's death. Despite such life-shattering experiences, Srimati Nilima Rani ji never wavered from her humane approach towards the poor and downtrodden and kept on working for their upliftment. I am very happy to know that with the help of her sons, she turned her native village, Kalarabanka, into one of the first smart villages of its kind in the country. It's really great of her to think on those lines at that time and develop her native place. This is really inspiring. It is my appeal to all the successful men and women that they should never forget their roots. That's why I say, whenever I go to any place, I tell people, particular youngsters, Matru Murti, Matru Bhasha, मातृभूमि को कभी भूलना नहीं चाहिए. Should never forget your mother who has given you this beautiful birth, and also the Janma Bhumi, the native place to which he belongs to. See how his mother developed her native place into a smart village. And also Matru Bhasha. We should never forget, ignore our mother tongue, because mother tongue is the language which has come from mother's womb. So I appeal to all, please keep these things in mind, respect, revere the mother forever. Second, do something back home to your native place. Third, feel proud and propagate and speak at home, the neighborhood, in your mother tongue, and then propagate. I also appeal to Dr. Achyut Samanta to bring this book in Oriya also, so that the people here, they will be able to understand better. The common people, they know their mother tongue and the vernacular language. I have been telling everywhere that we should promote and protect and propagate mother tongue everywhere. Even in education, even in courts, even in administration, we should promote our mother tongue. Nothing wrong in learning English or other languages. first we must promote our mother tongue. I am very happy Dr. Achyut Samanta, in spite of rising to these heights through his social service, particularly for the cause of tribals, downtrodden, taking care of their education, their health, and understanding their abilities and promoting them, has thought it fit to write the biography of his mother, who was responsible not only to give this beautiful birth, but also this inspiration, do service to the people. That's why I'm happy that he brought out this publication. Though it is a small presentation, I have accepted this because writing mother's biography is really a great thing, and it will be inspiring for others also to always remember their mother and parents and do something in memory of them, and brought out those memories in the form of a booklet which will be useful for the younger generation. My compliments to you, Dr. Achyut Samanta, once again, and also my compliments to the publishers, Rupa Publications, for bringing out this wonderful publication. I suggest to the readers, youngsters, to read this book and understand the spirit behind what Samanta has written, the greatness of his mother. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.